my soul to score another goal. I go along for the ride, but never on the side. Then I run out on the field. No one will I hear. And the team of which I'm part got that magic touch. I believe in my feet. I believe in the way that I play. When I'm out there kicking balls, I feel so alive. Ooh, I believe in my feet.
Wicked! Man, I love playing soccer at the rec center and keeping the beat, yo. The rec center's closing forever?
The funding was pulled because the city needs another houseboat.
You can't close the rec center. What about the disenfranchised youth?
Yeah, where will they enfranchise themselves?
You win some, you lose some.
We've got to fight City Hall.
I'll fight any building if it'll save the rec center.
A better approach might be to gather signatures and petition the government for redress of our grievance.
I don't know what that is, but I want to fight it too.
Let's print out a petition and hit the streets.
Okay, I'll hit the street, but after that, no more fighting. I'm trying to go legit. I got another 30% of the village. 2 more people signed.
Excuse me, sir. Are you registered to vote?
If I sign it, will you leave me be?
Well, yeah. After you sign it, I don't need you anymore. That's how democracy is supposed to work.
We did it, Mr. Mayor. We got organized in order to bring about meaningful change.
Fantastic! I needed confetti for the budget parade. As for the rec center, you're out of luck.
Unbelievable.
Did you really think it would be over so quickly? We're only 2 minutes into this thing.
I'd like to buy the rec center. I'm gonna tear it down to build myself a rec center, just for me. And there's nothing you arrogant bunch of street kids can do about it.
Unfortunately, control of the rec center can only change hands in an athletic competition. We live in a society of rules. Granted, they're convoluted and arbitrary, but still...
I challenge you and your team to a game of soccer against me and my team. Oh, wait! I sarcastically forgot. You don't have a team because you have no friends.
I don't need friends to put together a soccer team. I have something even better.
I'm afraid the only team that could beat Sonic and Friends is, well, Sonic and Friends.
But where can I find exact duplicates of Sonic and Rats? Now I just have to figure out a way to get the attention of Cyborg Sonic and the rest of the Cyborg Rats. That was easier than I thought.
The evil Dr. Eggman. Why did you return to Roboken?
To make a peace offering. All I need is 30 minutes of your time, and you each get one of these. You can count your steps. Some people use it for exercise. I use it to save time with my obsessive counting. Either way, they're my special gift to you.
I was gonna get one of those things anyway. All right, we're listening.
So, in conclusion, please do this for me. Any questions?
You didn't tell us anything. You just said, in conclusion, please do this for me.
Oh, the index cards got mixed up. My bad. Good afternoon. I want you guys to beat Sonic's team in a soccer game. In conclusion, please do this for me.
No thanks.
No way. Nah.
Are these little pencils to keep?
Thank you for your time. Now, please accept your gifts.
Team Eggman is awesome, reporting for duty.
Oh, word! Our cyborg duplicates! What up, guys? You're about to get served. I thought we were cool. No, we're cool. You're losers. No, we're losers. What's up with these guys?
They're under my control.
You just flew in at the exact right moment to respond to that?
Honestly, I was hiding behind the tree for a while. Nevertheless, thanks to mind control, I have my team.
Not for long.
Don't even bother. After the game, I'll release them. Do you have any idea how much mind control costs?
You're on, cheapskate. Split the field. Let's practice.
appears as though they're evenly matched. You need to somehow enhance your team.
I'll have to reprogram their behavior. What's the most unpleasant, mean-spirited, brutish aggressor society has ever known?
A high school jock?
No, a high school jock. I have a firmware update for that, but it's just too evil. On the other hand, I really want that rec center something fierce.
Bro, I feel strong, bro. I feel strong, bro, too, bro.
Let's school those dweebs. I call the lame pink one.
I can't believe the beating we took out there.
Can I get a double med burger and regret-size fries?
Can I get a double Matt burger and regret-sized fries? Out of the way, blueser!
We're first. Unless there's something before first, then we're that. This is my counter.
What's the face, bro?
Get out of my hair! Hey, get off the counter or I'll drag your metal butts off.
Ooh.
We don't want to hurt them. They're our friends. They're just under mind control.
Aw, little baby going back to his burgerless crib.
It's the day of the big match. Sonic and Gang versus Cyborg Sonic and Cyborg Gang. Truly a match for the ages and cyborg ages.
You're going down.
I want a fair game, but I want a lot of things I don't get, like a fondue set.
It's the end of the first half, and things are not looking good for that rec center.
Keep it mean, keep it unfair, and we've got this.
How do we beat our unsportsmanlike counterparts?
The key is to figure out where their weaknesses and our strengths overlap.
Nerd alert!
How original.
That's it. They're too dumb now to be creative. We need to get a little unpredictable.
We gotta get back to our roots.
Let's do it!
Yeah!
It's worth a shot.
Which goal is ours again?
The second half is about to begin, and Team Sonic is nowhere to be found.
What's taking those dweebs so long?
Sonic wins!
We did it! The rec center is ours!
These kids today and their wacky soccer shows. When I was a boy, you got a grapefruit and a broken trash can, and you were happy to have that?
Now that we only have seconds left to resolve this thing, and since everyone loves the rec center, I've decided to keep it open.
Yay!
I'll close the library instead.
Yay!
All right, Egghead, time to uphold your end of the bargain and let the cyborgs go.
I ain't freeing nobody. Cyborgs, attack!
It's the wristbands! That's what's controlling them!
Hey, those things are expensive! Uh-oh.